All right, so I got my guy D here today, local gym owner, one of my good friends here since moving out to Denver. And I was here for a workout earlier, and he said that he's been moving everything around the gym lately because you're remodeling, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So they're remodeling the gym, and his back's bothering him. So we're gonna check him out today and get him adjusted. All right. Go ahead, lay down here, son. Okay. So he's been lifting stuff for the last few days. He just got a good release up there in his upper back. Put this side up for me. So this is gonna be sacrum here. Give me back.
That was done.
Fingers on your stomach. How the legs been? Legs been good?
Yeah. Pretty safe. Good on the right side. Calves been a little tight, and the knees a bit bothered. Yep. There you go. My dude.